Bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, Tantolorun, Bàbá Olóyin kan. Bàbá Olóyin original, I'm saying at Yesiota, Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Yesiota. The thing I want to teach you today, you need to sit down and listen attentively. Mo ti lówó tẹ́lẹ̀ ò tó o. Only if I ask for more. What you need, I will tell you. What you need to do in the new year. Some people did what I taught them to do on January 1st, 2022. And they are now sending money to me. They are sending messages to me. Ọlọ́run o, ìbàrẹ̀ o, I thank God. Who am I? Who am I? I'm a small boy. Get seated. You will know what you will do this year. To make the betterment of your life. This is my latest book, African Power Part 2. This is African Power Part 1. This is honey as a medicine, healing power of honey, and solution to human problems. If you want to buy all these books, you can get them on You can get them as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Yes, you can get them on WhatsApp, email, or Gmail if you are not in the country, in Nigeria. But when you are in Nigeria, you can come to my office, Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Yesiota, Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Yesiota. Or you go to my agency in the town. Those who believe they can see books to sell. Àwọn tí wọ́n gbà pé bí mo bá ṣe ìwé mẹ́wàá àwọn ò rí tà. Some people believe that if Bàbá Olóyin publish, a musician used to release one record in a year or 2 records in a year, but somebody break the record. Abi can say broke the record. He released 2 cassettes at a time. 2 cassettes at a time, and people bought the cassette. Yes. I don't want to mention names. Yes. I can release 10 books in a year, but I won't. Yeah, softly. But I don't like a situation when people say, we only need honey. How can you tell me you need only honey when I'm releasing books and it is from books I can see money? I remember when I was going on Express Road, Ibadan, Lagos to Ibadan Express Road, one police officer stopped me during the checkpoint. He asked me, who is the owner of this Pajero? I bought my Pajero when Pajero was raining. He said, who is the owner of this? 2004. 2004, I bought my Pajero. 2004. A police officer stopped me on Express Road, Ibadan, Lagos, Ibadan Express Road. He parked me, asked me who is the owner of the vehicle. I said, I'm the owner. He said, what is your business? I said, I'm selling honey. He said, honey? You are selling honey? I said, yes. And you sell honey to buy Pajero. To buy Pajero. I was laughing. I said, yes. He said his own wife was selling honey. He didn't see money to pay for shop rent. How can you sell honey and make money to buy Pajero? I told him, I'm not selling honey the way your wife was selling honey that time. He said, I said, I'm a publisher, I'm a writer, I'm a columnist on newspapers. He said, I said, yes, I'm publishing books on honey. How to use honey to cure your sickness. He said, are the books here? I said, yes. I showed him some of my books. This is 50 ways of visioning that time. This is Agbára Ìwòsàn. This is so. I showed him most of my books. He was at one in Oyin. part 1, part 2, part 3, honors in medicine, àádọ́ta ìwòsàn oyin. You are selling books on honey. If anybody asks you how you are making your money, you need to tell them that you are making your money from publishing books. Because how much profit can you going to make in honey? As he was talking with me like this, I just hear yafun. Some army officers, they were coming behind. They said, why are you stopping Baba Oloyin? You are disturbing our Baba now. Baba Kulosele, what happened? I said, they are doing their work. Say, oh yeah, Baba, enter your motor. We will guide you to Ibadan. They were army officers, so I didn't know them. So they escorted me to Ibadan. They told that officer, say, sorry sir, we don't know you are Baba Oloyin. Because we only hear your face on radio. We don't know your face. Sorry sir. It's not my prayer. They clear me out of those people they park at Okiri. Those people, they lead me to toll gate Ibadan. And when we reach toll gate, they say, Baba, I think you are safe. Now, where are you going? I say, Oremeji, I'm going to see my family. So I use that route to. So I don't want to talk about that one again. But I'm telling people will understand what I mean. I want to talk about rainwater. When I taught you last year, some people say rain has already fallen their place, so they couldn't do it. Rainwater, omi ojo. The first rainwater of the year. The first rainwater of the year can do wonders in your life. You will get the first rainwater of the year. Whether you put it where it will enter or you put it openly, where it will just drop inside. You save it. If it gets dust, you know it have to be dirty. The first rainwater of the year used to dust all the leaves in the bush. If you use it this year, you will have cause to thank God. You will have cause to thank Almighty God. Don't put anything. Don't add anything to it. Rain can fall at Agege. It may not fall at Abeokuta. Rain can fall at Ibadan. It may not fall at Owode Diroko in Ogun State. The first rain in your area, get it. If they happen to meet you in office, those people doing night duties, please take bucket outside, get it. Take your bath with it. Do prayers. Any first rain of the year used to dust, used to remove all this dirtiness from these leaves in the bush. Ojo akoro, o man gberuku lára àgbẹ̀ ni, o n gbọn eruku dà lára ewé kògbẹ. This year, I want money. I want blessings. God, help me. Do it and give me feedback. You can get my books, my latest book and other books, African Power Part 2. You can get them at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. If you go to Alukolaro, CAF Communications, number 4, Alukolaro Street. I know how many copies they have sold there. I thank God. I thank you people. I know how many copies they have sold at Alukolaro, number 4, Alukolaro Street, Mushin. Barigas where they are performing where number 36, Ilaje Road. Number 36, Ilaje Road. Go there. You see my books here. At Ikotun, go to Sele bus stop Igbe. Sele bus stop Igbe. Enter Maruwa that is going to Agodo Igbe. Agodo Igbe. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Agodo Market. House of Yamumpo. They are selling these books. They are selling it. They don't depend on only honey. Say, when you bring honey, we need only honey. No. They know I'm publishing books and people are buying my books. Or you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Iyesiota. The program you are watching today is Kini Show. Kini Show television. Kini Show from Baba Oloyin original. And don't forget to watch my other channels. Baba Oloyin original. Baba Oloyin original television. And my son channel. Mr. Lashbomb Comedy Adewusi. Mr. Lashbomb Comedy Adewusi. He used to put his phone number there. Even when you watch his Mr. Lashbomb Comedy Adewusi, he used to put account number there because he said some people need to see him directly. He's laughing. So he's laughing. Baba àtọmọ kókó bá jẹ́ tọmọ baba tọmọ máa ń láàlà ni. But at the same time, you know me, you need me before you know me. I appreciate you because of the interest you have for Babaloyin. You have the interest for Mr. Lashbomb Comedy. I know how many views he's receiving every week. I know how many subscribers he's receiving every week. I need to thank God and thank me for exposing him. Please, ọmọ gbogbo yóò ṣoríire o. All those of you that you like me and you like my child and you are even sending money to him. Some people will send dollars. Say, I need that Mr. Lashbomb Comedy Adewusi. Somebody even phone me. Don't worry again. I saw his phone number on his post on his program. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo dúpẹ́ o. Ẹni a bá fẹ́ ló máa ń wù mí. When you like a man, you like all his children. Yes, I do appreciate. Lórúkọ Mr. Lashbomb Comedy Adewusi, mo dúpẹ́ o. When he started this thing, the subscriber he has received, and I believe you will help me share his programs today as well. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.